Ready for your sip of black coffee? Let's see if we can make your mind bend. Exploring the diminished value of life and self-reliance. This episode is dedicated to my recent single, Loner's Lecture, in the line where I say, "Diminished life is a cloud, so I don't really need nobody." In my perception, the value of life has diminished, leading you to feel disconnected and self-reliant. This sense of decline makes external relationships and connections seem unnecessary as you navigate through your existence independently. Now for a brief discussion breakdown. Number 1, diminished value of life. The phrase "to me this life has declined, so I don't really need nobody" suggests a personal perception that life has lost its inherent worth or meaning. Factors contributing to this feeling are personal experiences, societal pressures, and existential reflections. Number 2, feeling disconnected. Disconnection arises from a perceived decline in life's value, leading to emotional and social detachments. This disconnection can manifest as isolation, withdrawal from social interactions, and a sense of feeling out of sync with the rest of the world. Number 3, self-reliance. With this diminished value and disconnection, individuals may turn inwardly, relying solely on themselves for direction and support. Self-reliance can be empowering, but might stem from a lack of trust or belief in the external world. Number 4, navigating independently. The choice to navigate this existence independently may reflect the desire for autonomy and control. This autonomy may provide a sense of safety and predictability, but can also amplify the feelings of isolation and loneliness. So for a brief reflection, consider how our personal experiences shape our perceptions of life's value. Reflect on the balance of self-reliance and the need for meaningful connections. Explore ways to find meaning and worth in life, even in amid challenges and disillusionment. Understanding this perspective can help us empathize with those who feel disconnected and self-reliant. It encourages us to find a balance between independence and connections, finding value and meaning in our own unique ways. This song is heavily emotionally fueled because it's a reflection of my own shadow. As a lot of my songs, my shadow is actually on the microphone. For instance, with this one being about, or a little bit about me, I'm stubbornly independent. It has gotten so intense to the point where I've convinced myself that I'm weak when I get help. I like to help other people, but when I'm getting help, I look at myself as weak, and I literally have an inward battle in my head. I antagonize myself inwardly, and I shame myself for getting help. Sometimes I convince myself that I'm a failure because of getting help, and it shouldn't be that extreme, especially when it's with loved ones. You can ask anyone that's close to me will vouch for this. They would say, like, "Bro, you can't feel that way, man," especially when it's people that really sincerely care about you. It's a difference if we didn't care. Now, with a extended update, I am also building a street team called the Shadow Syndicate. Stay tuned for more information, but I'm looking for 2 dedicated members who are looking to spread the DB4L brand and my music. So stay tuned. It's going to be some good rewards, and I am also going to be paying you. And don't forget about the Loner's Lexicon contest. $1 entry, pay for the song, and you're in. I'll be announcing the winners at the end of March. I'm your host, The Great Raw. This has been your sip of black coffee, and until the next time, dark vibes for life.